In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a navigation menu in Hubspot. Whether you're doing a little cleanup or simply need to start fresh, removing an unwanted menu is a straightforward process. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to confidently manage your navigation options without a hitch. So, let's dive right in. First off, you want to navigate to the Hubspot user guide. You can find this by logging into your Hubspot account and looking for the user guide section. It's like having a trusty handbook always ready on your shelf to refer to whenever you need it. Once you're in the user guide, you'll see a wide range of options laid out like a treasure map before you, each unlocking a different feature or tool at your fingertips. After you reach the user guide, your next step is to click on the settings icon. This is typically found on the left-hand sidebar. This is your control center where you can customize and tailor various functions to suit your needs. By entering settings, you're effectively entering the command hub of your Hubspot portal. With the settings open before you, the next click should be on Content. Imagine content as the heart of your online presence. It's where all your digital assets and resources are housed, ready for you to edit, organize, or remove as you see fit. Now that you're in the Content section, it's time to specifically look for navigation menus within the Settings menu. Navigation menus are essential. They dictate the journey visitors take through your website. By clicking on this, you're one step closer to refining your digital landscape. Once you've located the navigation menus, you'll want to click on More. It's almost like peeling back an extra layer of functionality that's sometimes hidden from immediate sight, revealing deeper options that allow you to manage your menus more effectively. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for, you need to select Delete. A word of caution here, make sure that you're deleting the correct menu as this action cannot be undone. It's like crossing off an item from your list. Be sure this is exactly what you want to do before proceeding with this irreversible step. And there you have it. You've now successfully deleted a navigation menu in Hubspot. Navigating these digital spaces doesn't have to be daunting, and with a little bit of practice, you'll be managing your Hubspot environment with ease. Remember, managing your website's navigation is crucial for ensuring a seamless user experience, which ultimately leads to happier visitors. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other videos for more how-to tips and tricks.